Welcome to RADA USA here in Germantown, Maryland. I'm Bill Watson, CEO. We're excited to have you here today and show you a little around our operation. We've been in business since 2018. We manufacture tactical radars for the U.S. military to address very severe and challenging missions of counter-UAS, counter-drone operations. Our headquarters, corporate headquarters is in Netanya, Israel. And we started this operation here 2 years ago to service the U.S. marketplace. We have 25,000 square feet of manufacturing where we have the most state-of-the-art technology equipment to address the marketplace. We have 50 people here. It's an exciting operation and we welcome you to look around.
Hello and welcome to RADA USA. My name is Zach Zwicker and I'm the Director of Manufacturing Operations here at our Germantown, Maryland facility. I'd like to welcome you to our brand new state-of-the-art facility and invite you to follow me along for a virtual tour. The first stop on our tour is the assembly floor. This is roughly 5,000 square feet of our total 25,000 square foot facility. In this room, we have highly trained and certified assemblers that use state-of-the-art assembly equipment to ensure that we are producing the highest quality radars for our customers. Follow me.
I'm responsible for all assembly and manufacture of radars and radar accessories. Currently we are assembling the MHR radar model with more radars models expected in the next few months. Anybody who wants to be in manufacturing management, they need to focus on the people that work for them, not necessarily themselves, because if the people that work for them aren't successful, then they won't be successful in whatever they're trying to do.
Hi, I'm Stephen Tyler. I'm the test manager here at RADA USA. My primary responsibilities here at RADA USA is to manage the test process and to provide a standard of quality for each product that goes through our production line. Currently we're testing the MHR, which is the multi-hemispheric radar in this facility. Generally the testing process takes 30 hours per unit. Once one unit is in process, we are able to test others in parallel. I would advise someone that wanted to get into this career to stick with or even try a science, a technology, or a mathematic curriculum to advance their knowledge base. In all honesty, not be afraid to break something, but also learn how to fix it.
The last 2 years of our growth has been nothing short of a challenge. We had to transition technology from our parent corporation in Israel. That required us transitioning thousands of technical drawings, millions of lines of software code, and just years of product knowledge that they had over there. We had to grow a workforce here in Germantown, Maryland. We chose this facility because of proximity to the high-tech corridor of 270 and the desire for people to live in this part of the state. We started with a company of 2 people and we grew it now to just under 50, and our plans for the next year continues more. The last thing was setting up our facility here with 25,000 square feet. We had to purchase an anechoic chamber, a thermal chamber. We had to excavate a hole and take hundreds of yards of dirt out to be able to fit the equipment in here. All of that squeezed into 6 months' time. At the end of it, 2 years later, we're here in operation shipping hundreds of radars to the U.S. military.
After the assembly of our radars, they enter into the test phase of our manufacturing operation. With our facility recently obtaining our AS9100 quality management certification, rigorous environmental testing is paramount to ensure that our customers are receiving a quality product. Here in our environmental stress screening room, each and every radar we build will go through a rigorous shaking and thermal analysis before they're shipped out to the customer. Follow me. Here we are in the control room of the environmental stress screening test area. Each radar that gets assembled here at RADA USA comes into this room for almost 24 full hours. The first step of this process is to be installed onto the shaker that you already saw being loaded by our test technicians. Each test unit is loaded onto the shaker and exerted at a 4.5 G shake test for 10 minutes. These radars are exposed to temperature extremes inside the thermal chamber for 22 hours. On the low side, they're at -40 degrees Fahrenheit and will be exposed to up to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. They run through this cycle 7 times over that 22-hour cycle. My favorite part about working at RADA USA is the culture of the team and also the ability to see the fruits of my labors, whether it be inside of our facility and creating a new process to improve efficiencies, or working with our customers to see the applications they put our product in out in the field. It's very rewarding to work here.
My name is Alex Fili. I'm a radar applications engineer with RADA USA. And as an engineer on the team, I focus on the design, development, and optimization of our radar systems. And we also work closely with the manufacturing team to improve on past designs and find out how we can improve future designs that will be going out to customers in the near future. Inside of our headquarters, we have a control station that provides visibility to what the radar is seeing, how it's performing, as well as to the GUI that an operator would be looking at. And through this GUI, we are able to make changes to the system and optimize how it is performing in the given environment. My favorite part of working with RADA USA is that it's a very dynamic and very involved process. As an engineer, we're very involved with the entire development process and manufacturing process that gives us the ability to work with the system and learn about how it's influencing and helping the end user.
I'm Kaisha Boyd, Human Resources Specialist here at RADA USA. I'm responsible for the overall human resources function here at RADA. I recruit, hire, and train our employees, as well as making sure they have all the benefits information that they need to succeed here at our company.
I am Courtney Togney, Director of Business Operations at RADA Technologies. At RADA USA, I'm responsible for the whole of business operations. That would include portions of human resources, contracts, finance, and just general operational duties.
The type of jobs that we have here at RADA USA in manufacturing, we have anything ranging from an entry-level position all the way up to senior leadership.
Each team member here does hold a lot of value. Each position is equally as important as another. We encourage employees to come on that are ready with a go-getter attitude and that are ready to join a company that is rapidly growing.
Do not need a degree or be a part of the military here at RADA USA. We kindly encourage all those in all aspects, and we'd love veterans to apply.
Hi, I'm Wayne Glidden, and I'm the supply chain manager here at RADA. It's my responsibility to bring the material into the building. It's the raw materials that come in, get turned into our products, and then I'm responsible also for shipping them back out the door. Our supply chain is pretty varied, from machine parts to cables to printed circuit boards. So we could be running anywhere from 10 to 20 different commodities a day on the type of material we bring in. Typically, me and my team are working with probably 5 to 10 suppliers a day, whether they be local suppliers making cables or overseas suppliers making printed circuit boards. My favorite part of working at RADA, I would have to say, is I love to see things get built. I love seeing things come in. I love giving people parts and watching them build things. Again, turning a simple $1 part, box of parts into a product that we can sell for tens of thousands of dollars, that is, to me, an exciting thing to do.
It was December of last year when we did our ribbon cutting ceremony at this facility here. In a very short period of time, we've made major advancements in our manufacturing capabilities. Before 2020 is out, we will have shipped several hundred radars from this facility. Manufacturing is a big part of that. We've done a significant increase in our workforce here. And in fact, during the time of the pandemic, when most businesses are shrinking, we've hired 40% of our workforce just this year alone. I'm often asked, you know, what makes RADA exciting? Why should I work there? Well, we're a young technology, a startup in our culture, very advanced radar technology, and at the end of the day, this technology defends our nations and saves our servicemen's lives. That's really important. You make a difference in the world. Why do I like working for RADA? It's about the people. It's about the people with our customers, and more importantly, the people that work here at RADA. We thank you all for coming and visiting us today, and our invitation is always out there. Please come again. Thank you.